Well, VITACY Project continues the work previously done in SESAR of the Virtual Center. In this case, in the triangle architecture. This type of architecture will split the main ADSP into several functional smaller ADSP. So probably the main challenge that we will address is to maintain, not only to maintain, to increase the reliability, performance and safety from the legacy system. For the project, we are planning to work in several new ADSPs, the arrival management, the departure management, the time-based separation management, the conflict detection management, and the surveillance ADSP. We will make 3 validation exercises. One validation exercise is led by INDRA with collaboration from NAIRE, NATS, and Aeronavigatia, where we will develop the AMAN and TBS, or also cyber resilience tools for the digital trust, mediation modules, and cybersecurity console. Another exercise is run by Thales and DSNA, where they will develop the AMAN and departure management, and also the surveillance ADSP. And a third exercise led by Skysoft, where it will be developed the conflict detection ADSP in collaboration with SkyGuide and INDRA. The main benefit is the increase the technological cost efficiency. Thanks to the rationalization of hardware and the standardization of interfaces, will help to improve this technological cost, and also will open the market to new providers. Well, each NSP for sure wants to modernize their infrastructure. I'm quite positive that after the validation exercise, each NSP will have more detail to implement this type of architecture, as well as the cybersecurity tools to protect for any cyber attack.